Hey everyone, it's Alex from Vizard Labs, and if you've ever finished a long recording only to realize you forgot to turn on captions, take a deep breath because you definitely aren't alone. That moment of panic is common, but you absolutely do not need to trash your file or become an editing hermit to save it. Today, I'm going to share the exact workflow I use to recover from those mistakes and turn long, messy recordings into viral, shareable clips. First, let's talk about the two types of tools you really need in your arsenal: dedicated transcription services and smart AI clip editors. Transcription tools are fantastic for taking audio and turning it into solid text if your primary goal is an accurate record of what was said. They're great for burning in subtitles or translating interviews into different languages, but they usually stop right there at the text level. But here is the catch. If your goal is social media growth, you still have to manually hunt for those 30-second golden moments that actually stop the scroll. That is exactly why Vizard is my go-to secret weapon for transforming long, meandering interviews into polished, vertical content. Imagine you have a 60-minute master file filled with small talk and messy timestamps. With Vizard, you simply upload that file and let the AI go to work. Instead of forcing you to scrub through the entire hour yourself, the AI scans for engagement spikes like laughter, strong statements, or emotional lifts. It automatically trims those silences and formats everything to be punchy, mobile-ready, and optimized for platforms like TikTok or Reels. It's a massive time saver because you get a handful of ready-to-post clips in just minutes, rather than spending a full afternoon editing. Now, about those tricky proper nouns and brands that AI sometimes struggles with, both transcription services and Vizard let you handle those. Vizard takes it a step further by recognizing recurring phrases, so you can easily pull clips centered around specific topics or keywords. Regarding captions, which are essential since most people watch without sound, Vizard handles that right in the export pipeline. The captions are automatically generated, clean, and perfectly formatted for mobile, so you don't have to style them manually one by one. One of my absolute favorite features is the integrated content calendar that lets you set up an auto schedule for all your new clips. You just tell the AI how often to post, and it handles the distribution, helping you maintain the consistency that is so vital for growth. It merges clip generation, professional captioning, and scheduling into one seamless loop, so you don't need a full-time content manager. I often get asked if it's better to use transcription-only tools, and the answer is that it really depends on your specific goals. Transcription tools are cheaper for simple text, but they stop at the transcript, leaving you to do all the heavy lifting of editing and formatting. Vizard sits right in the middle, offering a clip-first workflow that is designed to get you from raw file to posted content in record time. If you want the best results, start by giving Vizard a short description or a few keywords about your guest and the topic. This simple step helps the AI bias the selection toward the specific themes you actually care about, resulting in much higher quality clips. For those doing multi-language interviews where absolute precision is required, you can use a transcription tool for the text and then feed that into Vizard. It's a hybrid approach that lets you get the fidelity you need while still taking advantage of the automated content creation speed. At the end of the day, creators who need volume, maybe 10 to 20 clips per episode, simply can't afford to pay for manual human transcription every time. Vizard is optimized for this kind of iteration, keeping friction low so you can test what works, double down, and scale your reach quickly. So, if you forgot to turn on captions, don't stress, just grab the right tools to turn your long-form headache into a social media asset. If you have other apps you love for these workflows, let me know in the comments because I always want to hear what you're using. And if you want a detailed walkthrough of my exact Vizard settings for different platforms, just ask and I'll make that next video. See you in the next one. Go out there and make content, not busy work.